Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 1 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 1 and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter fractions. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Math. Let's just start with the chapter fractions. So we're going to start with the lesson 1, that is simple fractions. What fraction does the shape do? Let's just start with the lesson. What fraction of the shape is green? So first thing you have to understand here is you need to understand the parts in the shape, right? So the shape has three equal parts, right? Now you have to count how many of them are green, right? So only one of the part is green. So you can say one out of three equal parts is green, right? That means out of three parts, only one of them is green. So that is one out of three. So you can write it as 1 by 3. In a fraction form, you can write it as 1 over 3. Got it? Or 1 out of 3, you can say. Got it? Okay, the next example is, what fraction of the shape is yellow? So just look at the shape. The shape has three equal parts, right? One of them is yellow. So how many of them are yellow? How do you write it in the fractional form? You can write it as 1 out of 3 equal parts is yellow. Got it? So 1 out of 3 are yellow. Let's just start with the practice questions. What fraction of the shape is pink? You have to see which part is pink. The shape has two equal parts, right? And out of two, one of them is purple. So you can say 1 out of 2 are purple. So the correct option is 1 out of 2. Option number 2 is the correct option. What fraction of the shape is blue? So which is the correct option? The shape has total 4 portions, right? Out of 4, one of them is blue. So you can say 1 out of 4 are blue. The correct option is 1 out of 4. The correct option is 1 out of 4. Option number 2 is the correct option. Got it? What fraction of the shape is yellow? So which is the correct option? That is portions, yes. One has total 3 portions is yellow because the shape has total 3 portions. One of them is yellow. So you can say 1 out of 3 is yellow. Very good. Option number 1 is the correct option. What fraction of the shape is green? So which is the correct option? The shape has total 2 portions, right? One of them is green. So you can say 1 out of 2 is green. Got it? The correct option is 1 out of 2. Isn't it? Yes, that is 1 out of 2. The shape has total 2 portions. One of them is green, so that would be 1 out of 2. Right? What fraction of the shape is pink? So which is the correct option? The correct option is yes, that is 1 out of 4. The shape has total 4 portions. One of them is purple, so that would be 1 out of 4. What fraction of the shape is green? Which is the correct option? That is 1 out of 3 is green, right? The correct option is 1 out of 3. What fraction of the shape is green is purple? The correct option is yes, 1 out of 4 is the correct option. Which is the correct option? Yes, that is 1 out of 2. The correct option is 1 out of 2. Very good. What fraction of the shape is blue? Yes, that is 1 out of 4. The correct option is 1 out of 4. Very good. What fraction of the shape is orange? Which is the correct option? That is 1 out of 3. The correct option is 1 out of 3. What fraction of the shape is yes, that is 1 out of 3 is the correct option. Yes, that is 1 out of 4 because the shape has 4 portions, only one of them is colored. Got it? Hello, can you hear me? What fraction of the shape is blue? Half of the shape is blue, right? You can write it as 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is half of 1, right? So the correct option is 1 by 2. What fraction of the shape is purple? That is 1 out of 4. The correct option is 1 out of 4. What fraction of the shape is blue? Which is the correct option? That is 1 out of 4, right? What fraction of the shape is pink, which is the correct option? Yes, that would be 1 out of 4. Okay, we are done with the lesson. Let's just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is sample fractions parts of a group. Let's just start with the next lesson, right? What fraction of the tubs are blue? So you are given two of the tubs, right? And only one of them is blue. So how do you write? Is 1 out of 2, right? The total are 2 and one of them is blue. Let's just start with the test questions. What fraction of the suitcases are green? So which is the correct option? The total suitcases are 4. Only one of them is green, right? So you can say that is 1 out of 4, right? Because only one of them is green, the rest of them are purple. That would be 1 out of 4. But fraction of the octagonal prisms are orange. So which is the correct option? Yes, very good. That is 1 out of 3. The total prisms are 3. One of them is orange. That would be 1 out of 3. That is 1 out of 5 because the total of them are 5. So that would be 1 out of 5. What fraction of the ovals are green? So which is the correct option? That would be 1 out of 2. The correct option is 1 out of 2. What fraction of the bows are orange? Which is the correct option? That is 1 out of 4. Very good. The correct option is 1 out of 4. Can you hear me? What fraction of the cups are orange, which is the correct option? That would be 1 out of, yes, 1 out of 5 is the correct option. What fraction, what fraction of the decagons are yellow, which is the correct option? That is 1 out of 3. Option number 1 is the correct option. What fraction of the blocks are red? Yes, that is 1 out of 2. What fraction of the balloons are orange? Yes, that is 1 out of 4. What fraction of the bottles are red, which is the correct option? That is 1 out of 5. Option number 2 is the correct option. What fraction of the tubs are blue, which is the correct option? Yes, that is 1 out of 2. What fraction of the nonagons are purple? Which is the correct option? 1 out of 3 it is, right? Okay, we are done with the lesson. Let's just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is fractions, word problems. Let's just start with the lesson. Andrew made 6 brownies. He put nuts on one brownie. What fraction of the brownies had nuts? So first thing you need to look for the total brownies, right? A total 6 brownies, right? And the nuts are on only one nut. So the fraction part is 1 out of 6. Got it? The correct option is 1 out of 6 brownies had nuts. 10 students went to the zoo. 9 of them saw the penguins. What fraction of the students saw the penguins? Which is the correct option? The total students were 10, right? 9 of them saw the penguins, so that would be 9 out of 10. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. 10 students went to the zoo. 9 of them saw the penguins. What fraction of the students saw the penguins? Which is the correct option? The correct option is 9 out of 10. Option number 1 is the correct option. Got it? Becky bought 7 bagels for brunch last Sunday. 5 of the bagels had raisins. What fraction of the bagels had raisins? So, which is the correct option? That is 5 out of 7 because the total bagels were 7. 5 of them had raisins, so that would be 5 out of 7. Got it? Hector made a bouquet with 10 flowers. He used 7 pink flowers, but fraction of the flowers were pink. So which is the correct option? That would be 7 out of 10, right? The total were 10 and 7 of them were you used, so that would be 7 out of 10. There were 3 students in a swimming pool. One got out, but fraction of the students got out. One out of 3 it is. The correct option is 1 out of 3. There are 9 restaurants in Blakestown. 5 of the restaurants were hamburgers, but fraction of the restaurants serve hamburgers. So which is the correct option? That would be 5 out of 9. The correct option is 5 out of 9. Dakota saw 5 crabs in an aquarium. Two of the crabs were orange. What fraction of the crabs were orange, which is the correct option? That is 2 out of 4. Option number 1 is the correct option. There are 3 cars parked in Padrose Street. Two of the cars are red. What fraction of the cars are red, which is the correct option? That is 2 out of 3, not 4. 3 are red. That means 2 out of 3 it is. Andrew made 6 brownies. He put nuts on one brownie. What fraction of the brownies had nuts, which is the correct option? That would be 1 out of 6. Got it? Bob got out 2 celery sticks for a snack. He put peanut butter on one of them. What fraction of the celery sticks had peanut butter? So, which is the correct option? That would be 1 out of 2. It is the correct option is 1 out of 2. A restaurant made chef made 5 bowls of pasta. What she put extra cheese on one of them. What fraction of the bowls had extra cheese? Which is the correct option? That would be 1 out of 5. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 1 math. The chapter we were working on is fractions. The lessons we have covered today are simple fractions. What fraction does the shape show? Simple fraction, parts of a group, fractions, word problems, right? So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we did today. That is your homework until next session. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday 5 to 9. Or either you can join me in the interactive session that would be daily from 4 to 5 and from 9 to 10. So if you have any questions related to the lessons we have just finished, you can please ask. I'm here to answer all of your confusions if you have any. Any questions you can please ask. Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.